Welcome back, dear students. Today we are going to start exercise 7.2 of class 10. Question number 1. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4 minus 3 in the ratio 2/3. So here we are going to use a section formula. Okay, so here given that given point is divides in 2/3 ratio. Okay, see, so let us start. Let a -1 7 and b 4 minus 3. Okay, so here given that ab divides to p in the ratio 2/3. Okay, so here in this case we are going to find out the coordinate of p. Okay, so see xy. So here a is -1 7, okay, is equals to, we can write a x1 y1, b 4 minus 3 is equals to b x2 comma y2, and m by n is equals to 2/3. Okay, so by using section formula, px comma y is equals to, we know that section formula is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma y coordinate is my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Now put the value of x1 is -1, y1 is 7, x2 is 4 and y2 is -3, and m is 2 and n is 3. Okay, so we get, see, m means 2, it means 2 bracket y x2 is 4 plus n is 3, x1 is 7 divided by 2 plus 3. Same thing, m is 2, y2 is -3 plus n is 3, y1 is 7 divided by 2 plus 3. So m plus n will be common. So we get 4 2s are 8 plus 7 3s are 21 divided by, sorry, n is 3, x1 is -1, I'm sorry, x1 is -1, see, jacket -1, so it gives -3 divided by 5, comma 3 2s are -6 plus 3 7s are 21 divided by 5. Is it clear? So see, here y2 is -3. Okay, is it clear? So 8 minus 3 gives 5/5, comma -6 plus 21, it means 21 minus 6, it gives 15/5. So here 5 cut, so we get 1, comma here 5 3s are 15, it means 3. So the coordinate of p xy is 1, 3. Is it clear? Now next, question number 2. Find the coordinates of the points of a trisection of the line segment joining 4 minus 1 and -2 minus 3. So here given that line segment, okay, so let us start. Let a 4 minus 1 and b -2 minus 3. Okay, so here given that AB is the line segment. Okay, we are going to find out trisection. Okay, see, keep in mind trisection. So let us start one example. Suppose we are going to find 3 parts of given stick. Okay, we are going to find 3 parts of given stick. So cut it at 2 point. Is it clear? Then we get 3 parts. Okay, 1 2 and 3. So whenever we are going to find out 3 parts, then cut it at 2 points, not 3. Okay, so same as here, we are going to find a trisection. It means we are going to use 2 points, one point known as P and second point is known as Q. So here we are going to find out the coordinate of P and Q. Okay, so let us suppose A to P will be K, P to Q will be K, and Q to B will be K. So the coordinate of A is 4 minus 1, okay, is known as x1 y1, and B is known as x2 y2. Okay, so 4, first start 4 point P, 4 point P. So for point P we are going to write A, then P and B over here. This type of situation is given. A to P is K and P to B is K plus K. It means it gives 2K. Is it clear? So the value of M is K and N is 2K. So M equal to K and N equal to 2K. And the coordinate of A and B is given. Okay. So Pxy, Px comma y is equals to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Now put the value of m is K. It means K bracket x2 is minus 2, okay, plus n is 2K, x1 is 4 divided by K plus 2K, comma my2, it means K bracket y2 is minus 3 plus n is 2K, y1 is minus 1 divided by K plus 2K. Now simplified, so we get minus 2K plus 2 4s are 8K. It means minus 2K plus 8K, it gives 6K upon 2 plus 1 3K, comma minus 3K minus 2K, it means minus 5K upon 3K. So here KK will be cancelled out. So we get 3 2s are 6, 2 comma minus 5 by 3. So the coordinate of P gives 2 minus 5 by 3. Is it clear? Next we are going to find out coordinate of Q. Okay, so for Q, 4 point Q. In that case forget P. Okay, so we get this type of situation. See, A, B, Q. Here A to Q gives K plus K, it means 2K, and Q to B will be K. So the value of M is 2K and N is K. Simply the value of M and N are different. Okay, the value of A and B are same. Okay, A is 4 minus 1 and B is minus 2 minus 3. So we can write Q x comma y equals to, now same formula using section formula, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n is equals to, m is 2K, x2 is minus 2 plus n is K, x1 is 4 divided by 2K plus K, comma my2, it means 2K bracket y2 is minus 3 plus n is K and y1 is minus 1 divided by 2K plus K. Now simplified, so we get minus 2 2s are 4K plus 4K 0 upon 3K, comma minus 3 2s are 6K minus 7K upon 3K. So 0 upon any number gives 0, comma K cancel out, so we get minus 7 by 3. So coordinate of Q is 0 comma minus 7 by 3. So therefore coordinate of P will be 2 minus 5 by 3 and Q 0 comma minus 5 by minus 7 by 3 is the final answer. Is it clear? Thank you.